Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust margins in PDF document. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you can go out and do this one. Either you have the free version of Adobe PDF or any other software. So just close the software, find your PDF, and then open up your favorite browser. And then just find change PDF margins. Okay, change PDF margins online. Hit on enter. Now you can go ahead and use online to PDF right here. Just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on select files and just upload your file. Just like so. And then once that's done, scroll down. You can go ahead and go to layout right here and select from one of these presets. Okay, add margin, scale down content, or custom if you want to. Remove margin right here, cover margin, and so on and so forth. But most especially, we have here the add page margin. Let's say you have here left, right, top, bottom. Should it be under inches? Inches here as well. Inches, maybe 2 inches or 3, just for example. 3 for right, 3 left, 3 right. That's it. Now let's go ahead and click on convert. Wait for the process to finish. The once done, a download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it on your desktop. And then just close the browser. Here we have it. Okay. This one is the original. This one is converted. So let's check the converted one. There you go. That's just how easy it is to adjust PDF margins here in a PDF document. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.